Okay, good morning guys. It is Saturday the 3rd of July 2010. I'm just going to do my weekly outlook for the pound against the Swiss franc here. Okay, so last week I said, yeah, we've been seeing a bounce of this TDST support, but it wasn't really that convincing. We failed at the final thrust resistance level there. So what I was looking for here was a close below that TDST support, followed by a break of the lower back support at the 1.6048 level. So we've got that now. So this pair is active, if you will, now. So I've drawn in the Fibbo levels here, as you can see, and we're pushing towards now a move to the 1.5249 initially on this pair, further out that 1.4121 level. So what I'm looking for here now is we've got far enough back. We made it up to the 25% retracement, the 1.6228 yesterday. So we've completed the sell setup here. So I'd hope that we don't go straight through this trend continuation point. I wouldn't really imagine that to be what happens. I'd imagine we'll make a couple of bullish thrusts here first and have a bit of a push higher, but it is always the threat that it just goes straight through. But hopefully we'll see a bit of a bounce. Some of these other chief pairs are showing signs of a bounce, so we can follow that bounce all the way up. There's not really any cap on how high it can go. I mean, at the moment the bat resistance is up here at the 1.7177 level, and if we keep moving up, that'll just remain flat. So I mean, we can keep going up, but I'll just keep marking any bullish thrusts that we make. I'll keep marking off the lows. That's the key levels, and we'll just wait till one of them get removed to the close, and the following day we'll look to sell a retest to that level, and we should kick on from there. So the higher she goes here, the better, because then we get in for the lower target there at the 1.5249. So I mean, if we can get in anywhere up here, even at the 50% retracement level, 1.6500, I mean that's over 1,000 pips down there. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on this pair. And again, like I said in one of the other videos this week, we did a sort of training run through on Wednesday or Thursday, can't remember which day, but it was actually good for me as well, because it kind of gave me a reminder of what I actually do, and to stop me from just looking for any kind of signal, because if I wait, then the good setups come. There's several pairs at the moment that are setting up nicely, there's several pairs that aren't, so we just have to wait on those pairs and just take what we get. I might not make any trades for a month or two, but if I can get in on this trade here, get in with maybe a risk of 30 pips and take 1200 pips from it, then that's all you need in your year. You only need a few of them, so I'm quite happy to keep doing it. I've done it before, so it was good to do that wee class, just have a wee reminder even for myself, so I quite enjoyed it. So cheers for that, guys. So anyway, we'll hope that this pair pushes up and makes a few bullish thrusts, and we can then sell the removal there. Still holding the bearish stance on the weekly here. We're almost going to remove that weekly support on the TDSTs to the close, which would be another bearish outcome there as well. And we bounced initially from this 1.5948, but fully expect us to come below there to the close of the month and add more strength to this bear scenario here. So yeah, so we'll just keep an eye on this this week and see how we do. Okay, cheers.